guys, welcome back. As always, you want to start off with freshly washed hair, and this time I used the pink hot oil treatment to do a treatment on my scalp and my hair because as you can see, it was extremely dry and not to mention flaky. Okay, this is not the most flattering angle, but I just wanted to show you guys this brush. So I've seen one called the Easy Detangle brush, but my mom bought this one. You got this off of Amazon? And this thing, bless you, saved me so much time just now. I just did this one section. Spraying it with some water. I have conditioner in my hair. My hair was really tangled because it had been like maybe over a month since I had washed it. And I hadn't combed it either. Like, I was just putting my hair up in a ponytail without brushing it or combing it. So it was all matted. I really hadn't been taking care of my hair, which is a thumbs down for me. But this brush really did help to get all those knots out and everything. Whoever thought of this is a genius. I appreciate you. And there you go. Detangle. Again, I'm going to be using the Style Factor Edge Booster Gel instead of Eco Styler. Check out my other video to see why I do that. So you're going to start off with the gel of your choice, and you're just going to put that around the perimeter of your hair. Front, back, sides, all over. Once you have that all in, you're just going to brush it through and get your hair into a nice smooth ponytail. Now I just did mine as your standard high centered ponytail, straight back, but you can change this into a middle part ponytail, side part ponytail, however you want. Now this part is optional. I know everyone doesn't want to opt in for baby hairs, swoops, edges, whatever you want to call them, but that's what I'm gonna do to add to my pony. So I'm just taking some of that Style Factor, their edge control, and I'm using that to just blend in my edges, swoop them up a little bit, give it a nice little cute finish. Now I'm going to take these wrap strips and tie down my edges to make sure that they're kind of not sealed down, but I want them to stay down until they're completely dry. So I'm just going to tie them down with not one, not two, not three, but 4 wrap strips. You can skip this step and you definitely don't need this many wrap strips. This is my satin lined bonnet from the Mommy and Me set through Style and Grace Baby Boutique. Make sure you guys check it out. Okay, on to the exciting part. You're gonna need at least 1 pack of braiding hair, some rubber bands, either clear or black, whatever matches with your hair color. This black rubber band, do not take it off. Leave it on the hair. Once you take the hair out of the pack, you're going to stretch the ends out so that they don't remain blunt. You want to stretch it out so that it becomes kind of scraggly. Another thing, if you want a fuller ponytail, you can always use more than one pack of braiding hair, and if you want it to be longer than what I have here, they have longer lengths of braiding hair. If you want to add texture to it, you don't have to use braiding hair. You can use Marley hair or something like that. You can always adjust this to be how you want it to be. Now that we have the braiding hair on our ponytail, you're just gonna go ahead and kind of swing some of that braiding hair around your own hair so that it starts to blend in, as you can see what I'm doing right here. Now we're gonna take a small section of that braiding hair and we're gonna wrap it around the base of our ponytail to give it that finished look. You don't want to see a rubber band or anything at the base of your ponytail. If you want to take a bobby pin or a hairpin to secure that last part down, you can, but I just wrapped it all the way around until it wouldn't wrap anymore, and since we made the ends scraggly, it stuck. It did not unravel. Now this is where the rubber bands come into play. You're going to take two of them and put them together, and you're going to start by making a ponytail a couple inches below the base of your ponytail. Just watch what I'm doing here and you'll get what I'm saying. So now that you're done with that first puff, you're going to go ahead and repeat the same step all the way down the ponytail. 2 rubber bands, make a ponytail about 2 inches or 1.5 inches down, create a new ponytail, and just keep repeating that process. Once you have all of your puffs created, you're just going to go through and stretch each one, and that's how you make that like bubble look. It already has a bubble look, but you want to stretch it just to make it a little wider and make it appear a little fuller. And I'm getting some flyaways down here, so I think I'm going to add an extra puff in. And yes, I know this braiding hair isn't the same exact color as my hair, but I like it. It gives it kind of the effect that there's highlights. Okay, and I don't want it to look like it's just kind of like sticking out like that, so I'm going to take a bobby pin and pin this second puff to the base of my ponytail, not the base of my ponytail, but I'm going to pin it to like right here, right in this area. And voila! We're all done. Yes! Okay, come through! Natural, no heat. kind of. I just used a blow dryer and I blew my hair out. So this is a really affordable, quick hairstyle. If you're going somewhere, if you just need your hair done real quick, this is it. Yes, I'm loving it. Okay. Thanks for watching.